Well, I thought it was 100% waterproof. I'm not. So what I'm doing is I'm directing all the water everywhere, and I'm scooping it up. And I'm putting the water from the floor to a bucket. I'm leaking water somewhere pretty badly. I got a pond here in the middle of my floor. There. A couple minutes. My bag is a little bit wet, but in an emergency situation, I brought down trash bags for garbage, but they're on the outside of my tent right here. Trash bags. We didn't have a rain fly. Check this out. You gotta see my buddy's tent. It's really funny. It works though. He's got trash bags all around his tent too.
Who are you talking to, man?
Well, I'd be outside in the rain working, but it's like, it's raining pretty badly outside. I'm getting a little bit of rain inside, but it's not as bad. And I'm dry. And what you're seeing right there is black trash bags. We had a bunch of these trash bags we were saving for garbage, and yeah, it came in really handy because we don't have rain flies. Can you believe that? We're down here in the rain without a rain fly. And we're scheduled to leave out here in 2 days. So hopefully this works for 2 days. Alright. Gotta bail out my tent again. Water's collecting.
I left my shoes outside last night.
Did you?
They're right there.
What?
Yep. Not that it matters, you're gonna get wet anyways.
So are you coming out and playing, Steve?
Nope. If it doesn't rain for another 10 minutes, I'll think about it.
The water has come up about 2 feet. We gotta cross this tomorrow. Look at it. It's fucking waist deep. Dude. Dude, that's tomorrow.
Yeah, it could be down by tomorrow if it doesn't rain again.
It could be higher. I'm thinking about dragging my tent up the fucking way. Well, we got caught off guard. They said rain, but this is torrential. Look at our camp. Steve's tent is already in the water. My tent is almost in the water. If it keeps raining, Steve will be in water. There's stuff floating down the river. It's so deep. Friends, I think we're fucked. It's been raining all day long. I think it's safe to say that Steve and I are screwed. But we can set up right here now. And I tell you what, I'm getting cold because I think it's gonna rain again. Whoa! Whoa! We need a fire. I think fire season's over with. I was gonna go get some firewood, but man, where are we gonna have a fire? Right where he was sitting over there, I guess. I might have to try to drag my shit and tent up fucking up above the water. Wow. If it goes over that rock over there, we'll be swimming to the other shore. I was concerned about how fast it was rising. And my friend Steve, he's in the water. Let's go see how Steve's doing. So Steve,
It would have been much better if I wouldn't have forgot my rain fly.
yeah, rain flies are a nice thing to have. See, this is his rain fly, and here's my rain fly. I thought it was leaking last night a little bit, but it didn't leak. It held up all that duct tape. Oh my God. I might risk it and go run up there and get a armful of wood. We can have a fire right there. If it stops raining for 3 hours, I can dry my clothes off. All right, I'm gonna go get some wood, Steve.